HHP's ghost post pictures on Facebook saying he just arrived in heaven. Fans of recently deceased rapper Jabulani HHP Tsambo have been left fuming after discovering that there is an unidentified person updating a Facebook page believed to be his. The page has been poking fun at his death with various posts stating that he is waiting by the back door for God to let him in, and that is how he is able to post, as well as posts asking which famous South Africans might be joining him in the afterlife next. Just arrived in heaven, had a safe journey, now I'm chilling with my nigga pro, Danky said. The Tsambo family's spokesperson could not be reached for comment or confirmation, but there are a number of signs to prove that the page is fake, aside from the humorous nature of the posts. Although the page already has more than 8,000 likes, the very first post only went up 22 hours ago, which indicates that it was set up recently. In addition to the page's first post being fairly recent, the About section of the page is pretty bare, as is the Photos tab. This is particularly telling when compared to HHP's Instagram and Twitter pages, which were kept relatively updated with a variety of content. For the most part, the page has received a lot of angry reactions and comments from unhappy social media users who would like the person behind the account to stop